Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Singhason Donghap Bagori Inglong Hawaralong Kohmri Damjia Phankatithi Bokatan Subdivision Angkang along ta School pen College along Thanmang Arni Katalondun Kardom News Time along Penili Villarban Kropi Non Birang Ton Pen Arjuitha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Singhason Donghap Bagori Hai Hui Inglong Hawar Kohmri Damjia Phan Chiti Pho Arni Puthot Cheparai Ponthu
Haru Krisil Kebra Pokebra Hini Aninkan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Sengdet Pen Karbi Anglong Agathemate CM EM MAC Lapen Council Kacheri Kitikiding Asai Puatum Inglong Awar Humri Dam Dipin Lang Council Sengdet Pen Kahumri Dam Dipin Inglong Arong Along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen Kahumri Kidam Jiapan Chiti Pho Arni Puthot Cheparai Ponthu Chiti Pho Arni Midu Aputa Kachingwai Amaya Hun Laso Alam CM Tuliram Longhang Pen Pachetak Kahumri Damji Asai along Principal Secretary Sai Kamsai Puatum Amenta Parlopon
Chitini Phai Pho Arni Det Angkang Pialong India President Barim Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna Phokebra Troksi Angdeng Am Hangkethek Arni Mate Thanmang Arani Kepaman Ponalong Pachiton Dunsi Bogajan Subdivision Angkang along ta School Lapen College along Katalondun Lason Thak Taxi Bogojan Rong Spia along Nongnam Kachithang Klong a School Vidya Sagar High School along Atapor Phai Kep Apor Malom Pen Chengsi School Lapen Junior College ke Charlie Au Sumaratum Thanbang Atumaphan Methang Pening Kangsam Anong Echipajir Ponthu Adun Thukilun ke kan Lapen Drama Hai Hui Paklangsi Thanbang Atumaphan Aning Paronglo Lason Thak Taxi Pranab Vidyapit School Green Valley High School Bogojan Higher Secondary School RJ High School Vivekananda Higher Secondary School Jin Baba Higher Secondary School Bokatan College Eastern Karbi Anglong College Sarihajan High School Hanjanglakso ME School Balipathar Higher Secondary School Khatkhati Hemphu Lukimon English School Dilai High School Silonijan Sardoka ME School Kuligaon ME School Apen Hidipi High School Haihui Alongta Thanbang Arani Talondunsi Mesen Pen Pachun Pon Loposi Pherangke Pen Birta Kahumri Damhut Than Pachenidun Sarmen Hanserong di sama Lumbajong constituency alongta Chitini Phai Pho Arni Inglongkiri English School alongta Thanbang Arani Talondun Lapen Thengpi arongta ke pon asai kedeng Inglongkiri English School Committee Amai Phun Dara Singh Ingti Chunbang Sarimbe Sarkari Gambrador Singh Hanse Principal Roland Rong Parlapen Rong Asaratunta Thanbang Arani Katalon along Chitondun Busi Birta Riptun Long Namalam Sopor Pan Birta Moing Taman Iksina Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Claret Beauty Parlor Folong Kichengsi Sopinso Lapen Swarlo Phan Kipamaradim Prabjin Pen Ingpupon Kangpu Ponji Lake Pai Chiklunipai Ingora Nerkep Arni Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, Haihui Henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people tadbir talong wangthulo. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toklang sai kampenta thanbang aphan karchu arni talon dun. Thanbang arni along pachiton dun pen thanbang ke hoya tum phan archusi man ke pipathe.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen chiti pho arni joising duloi auditorium hall along district level teachers day mate thanbang atuma phan karchu arni talon dun. Principal Secretary Mahadananda Hajarika pen chephampu amaya along high school, higher secondary school athanbang hake hoy la pen. Look attack osomara phanta archusi aman ke pipathe. Akang tui angdeng tok lang iem jagar sing inti aluisar po aman pen chetong dun lapen kachardi ahem pang thit et pen kibi jia phan than bang osomara phan pingkhat pin larpon em rotan teron MSc Ramsing Timung Secretary Nirola Phangchupi Inspector of School Rovelson Rongpi lapen pinan athan bang atum than bang arni ka talon along cheton dun
Bogojan subdivision ke parlo HDP English LP School along thanbang arni talon dun pusi kat news along birta nang pali.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Longki Timung Aluisar po aman pen chetong dun lapen Chairman Timung Arideng pen osomara phan Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan pen kepanong uniform ronsi osomara phan aning parung po thanbang aphan karjo amaya long thanbang lapen HDP rongberong thak pen penan kethe gedingatum chetong dun
Birta manggil mas kang ton poniklo domi thakme korang tu.